guys. Order guys. Buksan natin siya guys. Yan, ganda siya guys. Secured na secured siya guys. Yan. Ang cute siya guys. Yung kanyang lagayan. Tignan natin guys kung maganda yun. Ayan siya guys. Shade number 1, number 3, tapos shade number 2 guys. Ayan. Tatry natin guys muna yung shade number 2. Try natin ang kulay. Ay wow pak. Ang ganda ng kulay niya guys. Ayan. Natural yung dating niya guys. Ito naman shade number 3 guys is color red. Ito guys is yung ano, parang siyang maroon guys. Ito naman guys is cherry. Try natin patong guys. Medyo pink yung shade na guys. Yan guys. Keep watching.